Hey guys, it's Mr. Dugal, and now I'm going to introduce 623 and CC1. In 623, we talk about introduction to perimeter of algebra tiles. And so, first to just recap, in the previous lesson, you guys were introduced to some algebra tiles, and a couple of the algebra tiles that you're introduced to were x squared, x, and a simple unit tile. And we learned that the area of these tiles was just actually the name of them. So the area of this tile was x squared, the area of this tile was x, and the area of the unit tile was just 1. Today it's going to get into the perimeter of these tiles, and to find the perimeter, just like we would with a regular rectangle, we would actually just add up the side lengths. So if we had an area tile of 12, because this is a side length of 6 and this is a side length of 2 for a typical rectangle, its perimeter would just be all of the side lengths added up. So the perimeter, the area is 12, the perimeter would be 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2 for a total of 18. Similarly with our algebra tiles, the side lengths in this case are x and x because x times x equals x squared. So the perimeter of this tile would be 4x. You can see that these two lengths are the same, and x times 1 gives us an area of x. So if our area is x, our perimeter is 2 of the x's plus 2. And we cannot combine x's and units when we are adding. So that is in final form, our perimeter would be 2x plus 2. That's a really important thing to remember throughout this unit, is that you cannot combine a unit with another unit. In other words, I couldn't combine it with an x with a y, or an x with a constant, the number 2, for example. Finally, we have our unit square, in which our area obviously is 1, because 1 times 1 is 1, which means that all side lengths are also 1. Our perimeter is 4. So that's an introduction to what we're going to be doing with the perimeter of unit tiles. Just in the same way with a regular rectangle where you would add up all the sides, you do the same with the unit tiles. And again, the key throughout all this is just to remember that different types of units cannot be combined. Thanks so much.